Class 6 student, let us continue chapter number 6 of computer. It is part 4, working with worksheet. How to switch between worksheet. Switch between worksheet means how to move from one sheet to another worksheet. Only a few worksheets can be seen on the screen when we are working on a great number of them. Suppose we are working on large number of worksheets, but only few will be there. You can see this diagram. There are 3 sheets by default, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and sheet 1 is the active cell. Now if you want to do the first, you have to just select first one, next button this, and last this is the last button. If you want to go to the first, just click the first button. If you go to the extreme last worksheet, just select the last one. And if you want to go previous and next, then these two buttons are there, middle one, that will help you to just move from one worksheet to another worksheet. Now how to rename a worksheet. Double click on the sheet tab which you need to be renamed. Suppose you want to rename the sheet 1, double click on it. As you will double click, now you can type the name which you want to give, and after just typing, press enter key. Double click on the sheet tab which need to be renamed. It will be then highlighted. After typing the new name, press enter key, and it will be, your name will be changed. Now adding a worksheet. Suppose you want to add the worksheet. Select the sequence of the worksheet before placing and adding a new worksheet. Just select the sequence of the place where you want to insert the worksheet. Right click on the sheet tab and insert dialog box, select the insert option. Right click on the sheet tab and from the insert dialog box, select the insert option. When the dialog box appears, select the worksheet option and click OK. When the dialog box appears, just select the worksheet option and click OK. A new worksheet will be inserted just before the selected worksheet. In that case, a new worksheet will be inserted just before the selected worksheet. By clicking on the next insert worksheet tab after sheet 3, a new additional worksheet can be found at the end. See class. By default there are 3 worksheets which is provided. If you want to add more, just click on this plus symbol, this symbol. It will insert more worksheet. So you can add worksheet as per your requirement. How many worksheets you want? 5, 7, 8. You can insert and you can do your work. Now removing a worksheet. Suppose you have inserted, now you want that your work is no longer required. You want to remove it. So you can also remove. Place the cursor on the worksheet that need to be deleted. Just place the cursor on the worksheet where you want to be deleted. Right click on the worksheet tab and select the delete button. Right click on worksheet tab and select the delete button. Select the delete option on the home tab in the cell group and then select the delete sheet option from the sub menu list. Select the delete option on the home tab and then select the delete sheet option. Option will be there, delete sheet option, where you can use from the sub menu list. Last is saving the workbook. How you are finishing your work, you have finished your work, you want to save. How you are going to do it? Select the save button after clicking on the file tab. Just select the save button from the file tab. Dialog box will appear, save as will appear. For saving the workbook, select a drive and folder. Type the name of the file in the file name text box. Just type the name of the file in the file name text box. Click on the save button. This auto and just file will be saved with extension .xlx, where the file will be saved. File can also be saved by using combination of Ctrl plus S. You can also save the file by using the Ctrl plus S. One can save by selecting the save button on the quick access toolbar. You can also select by selecting save button on the quick access toolbar. And F12 in MS Excel display the save as dialog box. You can also select the shortcut F12. It will direct save as option, dialog box will come in front of you. In this way you are going to save your workbook. Now with this topic our chapter number 6 completes. Thanks a lot for this class.